Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite crashes, stuttering, freezing, black screen and FPS issues on PC. Now these simple fixes help make the game smooth and stable. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to close your Fortnite and open your Epic Games launcher. There in Epic Games, simply go to Library, then click on the three dots under Fortnite, then choose the option of Verify to fix the broken or the missing games files. Next, you need to update the graphic drivers to the latest version. For that, click on the search icon here in your PC or laptop. Then simply search for your graphic provider. Currently, I'm using NVIDIA, so you need to open the application. Here in the application, simply go to drivers, then click on the option of check for updates. If you see the install button here, simply just click on it and simply update the drivers to the latest version. The old drivers are the common reason for these types of crashes and the low FPS. Now open the Fortnite settings and then you need to lower the graphics options like the shadows, the effects and the low distance. Set the game to the full screen mode and turn on the performance mode if available. After that, close the background applications like the web browsers, overlays and recording softwares. These apps use RAM and CPU and can cause stutter and freezing. Finally, make sure that the Windows system is fully updated, and you can also try restarting your PC before launching the game. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.